Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching In the News in Focus with me, Devalya. I'll present to you about the hot news for today. And the news is about earthquake in Japan. A powerful earthquake struck central Japan on Monday, January 1st, 2024, killing at least one person, destroying buildings, knocking out power to tens of thousands of homes and prompting residents in some coastal areas to flee to higher ground. The quake, with a preliminary magnitude of 7.6, triggered waves of about 1 meter along Japan's west coast and neighboring South Korea. The Japan Meteorological Agency, or GMA, initially issued a major tsunami warning, its first since the March 2011 earthquake and tsunami that struck northeast Japan, killing nearly 20,000 people, for Ishikawa Prefecture. It later downgraded that and eventually cut it to an advisory.